The 3 biggest mistakes you're making with your coffee. Coffee is absolutely wonderful for your brain. The polyphenols in the coffee are really good for your gut bacteria. Coffee increases focus, memory, and attention. And coffee actually helps reduce accumulation of plaques in your brain associated with Alzheimer's disease. But most people are just ruining all those benefits by making these 3 mistakes. Mistake number 1, adding dairy to your coffee. The protein in the dairy binds the polyphenols in the coffee and makes them less absorbable, and so you don't get the benefits of coffee. So what to add instead of dairy? Add MCT oil or coconut oil. Mistake number 2, adding sugar or artificial sweeteners to your coffee increases blood sugar levels. Spiked blood sugar increases inflammation in the body, and that's not good. It also increases the risk of type 2 diabetes. What you can add instead is stevia or monk fruit sweetener. Mistake number 3, not getting organic and light roast coffee. Light roast coffee has the most amount of polyphenols, and if you're not getting it organic, you're really in trouble because guess what? Coffee is one of the most pesticided crops in the United States, second to only cotton. So you really don't want these pesticides in your body. Our course series helps you adopt and maintain these or any healthy habits, keeping you motivated and informed every step of the way so you don't give up halfway. Remember, being healthy isn't about a short-term effort. It's a lifestyle.